This is a 1-minute video showing installation of the C1028 secondary lock and the C1033 Mortise lock box. To remove the secondary lock, you're going to remove the 2 mounting screws. And then for the Mortise lock box, again, you just need to remove the 2 mounting screws. I'm engaging the Mortise lock box so it's in the lock position, just so it's easier to remove from your door. Now to install, you're just going to repeat the process. You're going to take your new Mortise lock box, install it into your door so the latch is facing up when engaged as shown here. And then you're going to take your same 2 mounting screws and install them. Next, you're going to install the secondary lock with the 2 mounting screws. You want to just hand tighten these and do not over tighten, or else it will make it difficult to operate the lock. Once installed, check for operation that it's locking smoothly.